Spain are in the World Cup final, and they got there by doing something nobody else in this tournament could do. They beat France. Not just beat them, they outclassed them 2-0 and ended a run that had been absolutely perfect. This was a statement performance. Let's break it down. Let's go. Here's how it happened in Dallas. The headline going in was Kylian Mbappé against Lamine Yamal, the superstar, against the 18-year-old prodigy. And it was the kid who struck first. In the 22nd minute, Yamal drove into the penalty box and was fouled by Lucas Digne. Penalty. Up stepped Mikel Oyarzabal, and he absolutely buried it into the top of the net. 1-0 Spain. Then, 13 minutes into the second half, Spain did it again. Dani Olmo and Pedro Porro played a lovely give and go, and Porro fired it past Mike Maignan. 2-0. And that was that. Spain scored early in each half, then just suffocated France. Blanket defending, total control. France, for all their stars, never found a rhythm. Real quick, before we set the bracket, if watching this makes you want to build your own faceless sports channel, the tool I use to speed all this up is Video Express AI. You give it an idea, and it helps turn it into a finished video, the kind of thing that used to take me days. It's the honest truth of how I keep up with the whole World Cup. If you're curious, there's a link down in the description. All right, back to the football. Now let me put this in perspective for you, because it's bigger than a 2-0 scoreline. Before tonight, France had not trailed for a single minute in this entire World Cup. 6 games, 6 wins, no extra time, never behind. Spain wiped that out inside 22 minutes. And the story of the night is Lamine Yamal, 18 years old, going up against Mbappé, and it was Yamal who won the penalty that broke the game open. That's a torch being passed in real time. For Spain, this is enormous. They are back in a World Cup final for the first time in 16 years. The last time they got here in 2010, they won the whole thing, their only title. Now they get another shot in New York on Sunday. So Spain are through, and they're waiting. Their opponent will be decided in the other semifinal. Argentina against England, the holders against the Three Lions. And whoever comes out of that faces a Spain side that just made the tournament favorites look ordinary. I'll be right here to break down that semi and the final. So, subscribe, ring that bell, and tell me down below. Can anyone beat this Spain? Until the next whistle, one game from glory. See you soon.